Hi guys, James at Leighton Vans. You may have all seen recently that we converted a Transporter T6.1 Kombi into a lovely matte green wrapped Kombi. Now, it was something that we was playing with the idea on for a while. We wanted to get the right colour, the base colour, which was bay leaf green. We wanted to make it look extra special. I think you'll all agree that that does look extra special. So we thought, we've got to do it again. What can we do? So we did this vehicle here, which is a brand new pre-registered, it was a Ravenna Blue Kombi, and we put on there a matte blue wrap. It looks awesome. It's got everything on it: electric doors, electric tailgate, big brake kit. It's ready to go in stock. Like I say, delivery mileage on there. We're doing a lot of interesting vehicles at the moment. We've also got a lot of vehicles in stock as well. So both new and pre-registered. Hop over to the website www.leightonvans.co.uk to check out all our stock that's been photographed. We've also got a lot of used vehicles in stock as well. You can catch us on the phone 0114 283 8484, option 1 for sales. But yeah, we've got a lot in stock at the moment, pre-registered, used, all ready to go, all high spec. We're on to our last few 4 motions we've got, so any questions, give us a shout. Thanks guys.